Today we are going to talk about what happens to your body. When you take cayenne pepper, turmeric, lemon juice with warm water for twice a week for 30 days for health and beauty improvement benefits. Your body will thank you later by daily mindset and health adjuster steps to be successful.
See, in life, you can go through life, you can come up with reasons or you can come up with results. You can come up with excuses or you can come up with achievements. You can go through life blaming or you can come up with solutions. The choice is in your hands, satisfaction or despair. We can choose that.
And subscribe.
You don't get better on the daggone couch. You get better by coming out here and getting the f after it every daggone day.
It's very, very simple to get what you want, but it's not easy. It's your job to make yourself do the crap you don't want to do so you can be everything that you're supposed to be.
Welcome to Steps.
And you're so damn busy waiting to feel like it.
Please.
And you're never going
like,
to.
Comment,
Ever.
and subscribe.
No one's coming. No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off.
Welcome to
Everybody
Steps
wants the prize,
to
but
be
nobody loves the
successful
process.
video.
Everybody wants to
Please
be a champion, but nobody's willing to put in the work that it
and
takes to be a
subscribe.
champion. Everybody wants to hold up the trophy and say, man, I did it, but nobody's willing to put in the work that it takes to do it. I love the process.
Video clip. In a world full of complicated diets and pricey supplements, sometimes the best health solutions are the simplest. Imagine a drink made from cayenne pepper, turmeric, lemon juice, and little bit of hot water for a shot ingredients you probably already have at home. This isn't a trendy fad, it's rooted in centuries-old wellness traditions. Cayenne boosts metabolism, turmeric fights inflammation, and lemon juice delivers a shot of vitamin C. Together they create a powerful, natural elixir. People love this drink because it's easy, accessible, and doesn't require a lifestyle overhaul. Just 2 shots a week can gently support your body's natural processes. It's not about overnight change, but steady, visible improvements, like clearer skin, better digestion, and more energy. In a world of quick fixes, this simple ritual stands out for its honesty and effectiveness. Sometimes the best way to feel better is to get back to basics. Making this wellness drink is quick and easy. Gather ground cayenne, ground turmeric, a fresh lemon, and warm water. Squeeze half a lemon into a mug, add a teaspoon turmeric and a teaspoon of cayenne. Start small if you're new to the heat. Pour in a cup of warm water and stir well until the spices dissolve. The result, a golden orange drink ready in minutes. Drink it while it's warm for the best experience. Many enjoy it in the morning, but any time works. Just be consistent. Twice a week is enough to let your body adapt and benefit. Simple steps, big impact. After a month of this twice-weekly ritual, you may notice real changes. Cayenne gently stimulates digestion, reducing bloating and improving regularity. Lemon juice hydrates and helps flush out toxins. Turmeric's curcumin calms inflammation, easing joint stiffness and supporting skin health. Vitamin C from lemon boosts your immune system. The result? Clearer, more radiant skin and a natural, steady boost in energy. Antioxidants from turmeric and lemon help fight signs of aging. You'll likely feel less sluggish thanks to better digestion and reduced inflammation. This isn't a miracle cure, but a gentle tune-up for your body. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference in how you look and feel. Even natural remedies need caution. Cayenne can irritate sensitive stomachs. Lemon juice may affect tooth enamel. Rinse your mouth after drinking. Turmeric can thin blood, so avoid if you're on blood thinners or have surgery planned. Start with small amounts and listen to your body. This drink is a gentle support, not a cure-all. Always consult your doctor before starting any new health routine, especially if you have health conditions or take medication. Natural doesn't mean it's right for everyone. Take care of your health with informed, sensible choices.
The secret to unlocking real success lies within the wisdom you already possess. The time is now. Take the smallest possible action today. The first step is yours to take. Remember, if you want things in your life to change, you've got to make an adjustment in your mindset of change things in your life, another to get the result you want.
Hey self, adjust my frequency to ignite my energy as you